Hey y'all, hey, what's goody, baby? Bree started off drinking this cup and talking so much stuff, but let's hop straight into this face. I'm just wiping it with a makeup wipe to remove all of the dirt off her face because, sweetie, it was a lot. And then I began to prep her brows because they were a little bit thick. So I just used a dark brown pencil and began to carve them out. Not going too big, not going too small, just staying outside her original brow. So next, I'm just carving out her brows with one of my favorite brushes, the Morphe M421 brush. You guys, this brush is like magic. And then I'm mixing Toffee by LA Pro Girl Concealer. And I use the shade 360 and Fit Me by Maybelline. And the only reason why I mix those two is because Brie does not like a highlighted underbrow. So I always mix it with a little bit of foundation just to tone it down. Next, I'm just using a fluffy brush and patting the concealer into the skin, you guys. Always pat, never swipe, honey, or you're going to swipe your good progress away, okay? Okay. So for the top of her brows, I only used the 360. I didn't mix it because I always like the top to be the exact color of her skin tone and not to give off a halo brow. So now I'm just prepping her eyes for shadow, and I'm just using those same two shades that I mixed and used under her eyebrow to prime her lid. So after I picked up that brown shade, this is one of my favorite brushes. It's super old. It's by Ruby Kisses. I don't know the exact name, but the Morphe M505 brush works just exactly the same. And I'm just patting and swiping, doing circular motions just to warm up her crease with that brown shade. Next, I went into the DOUCE palette. Y'all don't give me the line. And I just picked up that pink frosty shade and began to apply it to her lid. And I just used a fluffy brush as well because the pink shade is like a shimmer. So it just picks up better with a more fluffy brush. And I just began to apply that to her lid. Look at Brie hitting this cup. Girl, oh my God. So to kind of bring those two shades together, I just used that like pinkish purple shade that's in the same palette and began to put that right in the middle of the brown and frosty pink so that everything looks cohesive, honey. A look is never complete without lashes. These are just some ones that I got from the beauty supply.
No, because once I press that, it gets closer anyway. So relax, G. Damn, this is my content. I know you want to dip your hands in a little bit of everything, but this is my shit.
Next, I began to prep her face with some milk of magnesia. This is like my holy grail for the summer, you guys. Get into it.
Come on, you know you gotta put the hand behind it.
We'll do it.
Come out. Bitch, I'm gonna get a little tutorial at the same time, shit, because obviously you ain't gonna do it. I'm not, because nobody forgets how to do their makeup.
Gotta make sure you hit that mustache, ladies. But for my foundation, kind of like how I buff it in, I literally just pat and kind of do circular motions. Nothing major at all. Just take your time when applying foundation and make sure that you are getting every area. So for her concealer, I used TOFFEE and just a little bit of CHESTNUT. And both of those I buy the LA Pro Girl concealer collection. And it's just kind of a shade lighter than her original skin tone. Not too, because as stated before, Brie likes a more subtle face. So to buff the concealer in, I'm just using a triangular wedge. To buff out that harsh concealer edge, I am just going back in with my foundation brush and going right around the outer part of the perimeter and mashing the concealer and the foundation and making it as one. I hope y'all get what I'm saying, because, sweetie, just follow. Yeah, baby, she feeling herself because guess what I did? That, but I'm just using the 355 pressed powder by Maybelline to buff in the powder underneath her eye and set that concealer. Going into the SAHARAN palette, I just picked up that black just to put in her waterline.
Already know I know.
Can't forget about my bros.
That purple pink shade that's in the DOUCE palette, I just went back in with that and put it right underneath that black to just soften up the under eye.
Oh no. Oh no, bitch. Oh no. It's a mole.
She got a maid, nigga.
Girl, shut up. I do this shit. I'm not doing this shit.
Make sure you put that little man with the little sensors hold their face. Still right now. I thought it was that man at the window. Whoever. I ain't even nothing. I'll make that bitch put them all Chanelica. She a third bitch. Girl, you don't get the fuck. You can't see it. You can't see it. She a third bitch.
Going in with my big fluffy brush and using the this is Ebony powder from LA Minerals. I get it from the beauty supply store. I'm just setting her entire face, nothing heavy, just going over lightly with a fluffy brush. So I went into the Nubian palette and picked up the orange and kind of maroon shade just to add a little warmth to her cheeks and contour a little bit.
Shut the fuck up.
Back to this shit. You ain't paying me enough for this.
Just because I haven't been wearing highlight does not mean that I don't like it, honey. I love for my clients to look glazed, and this highlighter was just perfect for Brie. It is a press one. I think it is by Fixate. I'm not sure the name because I actually stole it from somebody, y'all. So whoever I stole it from, if y'all want it back, just tell me the name and I'll order myself one.
Okay. Definitely look glazed.
So last but not least, we are on to the lips, and I'm just lining her lips with a dark brown liner and applying these two like lipsticks out of the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip kit and adding just a little bit of gloss on the top. Nothing major because we want to keep this look nice, pretty, and soft. can't go nowhere if that face is not set, poo-poo. So I'm just setting her face with the Cucumber Aloe setting spray by Mario Badescu.
So we can do a little outro. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. Go to the eye, bitch. That shit cold as hell. You need to get a little bottle warmer down here or something. I'm gonna use the one you brought me. Bitch, you got a bottle on there?
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. This thing right here, y'all. Y'all seen her go from a 0 to a fucking hero. Yes. You get on my fucking nerves. All my bitches valid as some loops. Ooh. Come on, get your little ass in the camera. Get in there. You wanna keep talking shit? Get in the camera. No, bitch. Let me take a picture. Y'all see this cup she been in all this time, but this is the finished look. Period. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Let's